Bagsak presyo ka na ba pero wala pa rin bumibili? In this video, you're going to discover how to sell your products and services so well that people feel stupid saying no. I'm Fibo Lim and I run a marketing firm that has generated over 13 billion in client sales over the last decade. Ngayon, I'm going to share a never-before-seen recorded clip from my 3-day scaling workshop. Dati I charged thousands para lang makatena ang mga tao dito, pero I decided to share some parts to you for free. Dito i-reveal ko paano ka makakawala sa price war by fixing your product. Enjoy! So, how do we make strangers beg you to take their money? Okay? Again, if you are in front of a hungry crowd, they would do whatever it takes. So, for you to make strangers beg you to take their money is if you just find strangers who are in pain, who have a problem, because business is all about just solving a problem, they will do whatever it takes to beg you to take their money. Kumbaga, my example is if you are if you're selling water in a desert, diba? And you only have one water, the advantage is on your side. Are you following me? So in this case, there are a lot of problems in business. Probably, yung problem na sinosolve mo. Ano ba yung, can you comment in the chat? What problem are you solving ba in your business? Sige nga. What pain, what problem are you solving in your business? Sige nga. Okay. Health problems, people problems, unsustainable skin problems, because hair fall. Now, before I proceed sa product, guys, I want to tell you something na the more painful it is, the more irresistible or the more people would want to buy your product. And the more painful it is, the higher the urgency or the bigger the need. Paano mo i-explain? Parang, let me share with you something. So, we have a product as inhaler, no, na inhaler siya na pangpatulog. Okay? And ito yung question ko. If you do not buy my product, if you do not buy my product, okay. So if you do not buy my product right now, okay, and you have problems sleeping, will you continue to have problems sleeping today and tomorrow? Yes or no? Okay, I'm selling a product to you and pangpatulog na product. And if you do not buy my product today and tomorrow, no, will you continue to have sleeping problems? Yes or no? So the answer is yes. So anong ibig sabihin dyan? Sige, pag hindi ka bibili, you will continue to experience that pain. So what happens, without any urgency and scarcity on my end, sila na mismo gusto bumili. Another example is we have a product for joints. Okay? Weird, no? Kasi I'm targeting people who are not my age. So, I have a product for joints. Okay? For joint pain. So, just imagine, no? If hindi ka bumili sa product namin, okay lang kasi every day mararamdaman mo yung sakit mo. Mararamdaman mo yung pain mo. Okay? Are you following? So, yun. I'll discuss more about that in sa product. But before we proceed, gusto ko lang i-share to. No, before we proceed, I forgot to discuss this. This is about pain reliever versus vitamins. Okay? Di ba I talked about solving a problem, solving a pain. No? So, I have a question for you. Sabihin natin, you're late for work. Okay? You're late for work. Tapos, sobrang sakit ng katawan mo. Okay, so masakit yung tuhod mo, sabihin natin, no? So, ngayon, late ka sa work and nag-drive ka na ng 15 minutes. Okay? Okay, ito yung situation. Late ka na sa work, umaandar yung sakit ng tuhod mo, and yung may tinitake ka na pain reliever. Kaya lang na-order lang siya sa US. So hindi mo siya mabibili sa ibang pharmacy. Okay? So ngayon, nag-drive ka na ng 15 minutes and then naalala mo na nakalimutan mo yung vitamin C mo. Okay? Here's my question. How likely are you going to go back, okay, sa bahay mo para kunin yung vitamin C mo. Alright? 1 the lowest, 10 the highest. Sige nga, paki-comment sa chat. How likely are you to go back to your house to get your vitamin C? Okay? So, everybody answered a low number. Yes or no? Why? Bakit hindi ka willing na na bumalik para kunin yung vitamin C niyo? Sige nga, bakit? Bakit? Why? Nakalimutan, araw-araw ka nagva-vitamin C eh, 'di ba? Bakit? Okay? Araw-araw ka nagva-vitamin C. Okay? It's only one thing. Because if you do not take your vitamin C, nothing will happen. Yes or no? 'Di ba? Nothing will happen. If you miss your vitamin C, your life will not change. Okay? Another scenario. Sabihin natin na late ka, pero nakalimutan mo yung pain reliever para sa tuhod mo. How likely are you gonna go back to get your pain reliever? 1 the lowest, 10 the highest. Okay. All of you answered a high number. Bakit? Sige nga, comment sa chat. Bakit? It's because if hindi mo kukunin yung pain reliever mo, magsasuffer ka the entire day. Are you getting this, guys? Are you getting this? Magsasuffer ka the entire day. So just imagine, okay? That's the analogy of the pain reliever versus vitamins. Ngayon, there's a lot of supplements in the market. Okay? So I'm gonna relate this to supplements because that's one of the products that we're selling, no? And probably there's a lot of supplements out there. How do you sell a supplement or a vitamins to someone? 'Di ba? Kasi it doesn't really change their life. Okay? It's by number 1, changing your target market. Number 2, changing your positioning. Okay? So, I won't be able to dive in deeper na in terms of that. But just imagine if ma-position, kasi there's a lot of supplements na para na siyang pain reliever because of the messaging, because of the angle na pinapalabas niya sa market. Ano ba yung examples? Okay? Ganito, sige, kayo na lang magbigay para safe ako. Ano ba yung example na na supplement siya pero nakaposisyon siya as pain reliever? Okay, sige nga. Drop your below. Ayan. So, may nagsabi barley, may nagsabi opt-in, no? If you notice, okay, let's start with anong tawag nito? Yung big brand, yung para sa mata ba ang tawag niyan? Anong tawag niyan? Um, yung yung supplement para sa mata. Kalimutan yung pangalan. Man. But anyways, parang lutein, parang yan, parang lutein or yun. So if you notice, it's a supplement for the eyes. But here's my question. Do you even take that? Yes or no? It's a supplement for the eyes. No, di ba? Who buys it? Okay? It's the supplement for the eyes, which is ideally to avoid, eye damage. Who buys who buys yung supplement for the eyes? Those who already have an eye problem. Are you getting this? Isn't that crazy? Na it is supposed to be to avoid a eye problem, pero only the people who have eye problem who buys it. Are you getting this? So, kayo ba? Kailan ba kayo nagva-vitamins? Would you agree na nagva-vitamins kayo pag nafi-feel nyo na lalagnatin kayo? Yes or no? Diba? So just imagine, ngayon pa lang kayo nagva-vitamins. Pag feel nyo na magkakasakit kayo. Diba? Ano yung difference? Meron ng pain. Okay? Are you following so far? Okay. So, people don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problem. Always remember that. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa product na. How to make offer so good, people feel stupid saying no. I'll just be discussing the important stuff because This itself is an entire 3-day workshop. Okay. So I'll share with you how I'm earning 9 figures yearly. In fact, I was able to grow a supplement brand from 0 to 100+ million in just 12 months. No? With no brand, with no following, no distributors, and with only one product. And I was doing it in a very competitive industry. Actually, lahat ng mga nag-upgrade to VIP got this training. Sino ba ng mga nag-upgrade to VIP here? Yan. So, isa to sa mga bonuses nyo. So, I won't be like diving in deeper na because this is like a 2-hour training, no? So, but i-share ko na lang yung parang gist or ano nito, no? Summary nito. So, just imagine how can you compete in a market that's already saturated in a very competitive industry na wala ka pang brand, walang following, no distributors, tapos isa lang yung product mo. Plus, yung owner is hindi pa kilala or hindi nagpakita. Sabihin na lang natin. Actually, kilala ako pero hindi ako nagpakita as owner. Alright? So, kumbaga, my customers do not know that I am the owner. Right? So, kasi ngayon, pag may ano ka, personal brand ka, influencer ka, madali na lang. Pero ang tanong, paano mo ba mabibenta yung isang product na hindi ka nagpakita as influencer? Okay? So, ginawa ko yun. Okay? So, the first step that I shared here is, first, who is my dream customer? So, kumbaga, I was targeting the seniors, yung mga may health challenges na. Kasi let's face it, guys, no? Kung nasa 20s kayo versus yung mga may sakit na, yung mga may sakit, yung most likely bibili ng product ko, hindi yung healthy. Okay? I mean, let's face it, because they have the problem. Another, sino ba may mas capacity bibili sa product ko, yung 60 years old or yung 20 years old? Kasi ito 2,000 pesos to eh. 'Di ba? 2,000 pesos 30 capsules. So sino ba may capacity para bibili? Eh yung 60 years old kasi may savings yun, yung 20 kaka-start pa lang walang savings yun. Are you following so far? So it start first with who's my dream customer? And that's my dream customer. Second is this. What is my unique selling proposition or USP? Can you type the word USP in the chat? Can you type the word USP in the chat? Ibig sabihin ng USP is ano yung pagkakaiba ko ng other products. Kasi let's face it, I am in front of a hungry customer. Yes or no? Hungry kasi willing sila tsaka able. Okay? Willing, sino bang gustong hindi gagaling sa sakit nila? Sino bang gusto na mawala yung mga nararamdaman nila sa katawan? Di ba? Lahat ng tao, lahat ng may sakit. But the problem is, yung kompetensya ko, MX3. Oh, ito pa. MX3 supplement. Tamang mali. Diba? Pero sino bumibili? Yung mga may sakit. Diba? So, it's a vitamins positioned as a pain reliever. Are you following? In fact, when I bought last, I think 3 years ago, bumili kami ng apartment building and may ano doon, helper or yun helper, and may sakit siya. So yung ginawa is yung seller ng building is nagbigay siya ng mga MX3 para sa helper. So naalala ko lang yun kasi sabi ko, wow, parang just imagine kung magkakasakit yung tao, MX3 binibigay, and then it's just a supplement, no? So it's supposedly taken for people who want to avoid, pero let's face it, the only time we think about drinking vitamins and supplements are the time that we already have a problem, no? Or sakit. So, going back, MX3, sino pa ba yung mga kasama ng mga MX3? King's Herbal, sige nga, pa-suggest nga. Pa-suggest nga. Sino yung ano, sino yung mga MX3, King's Herbal, sino pa ba? Yan, may mga Vita Plus, Red Juice, yung mga pang-health, yung mga pang matatanda ba? Liver Aid, Barley, So, think of it, no, na I am competing with these people, okay? And I do not have the same ad budget as these big companies. I do not have uh, ta- thousands of distributors just like other barleys. So, and I'm selling it direct to consumer. Okay? So, the second step after finding a hungry customer is, how can I differentiate myself? Okay? So, in this case, yung ginawa ko is, we are a plant-based stem cell supplement. Yan. So, syempre, mahirap talaga when you do this kasi, it takes time, no? Kasi pina-formulate namin sa US and all of that. And that took almost a year, just imagine. And I spent hundreds of thousands of pesos, no? A lot of money for the formulation, manufacturing, ingredients, and all of that. Very draining. Kaya parang, like, nung nabuo nito, nung nabuo to, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, like, I have to make this work because I already spent a lot of time, energy, and money, multiple millions, no, just to form the product. Okay. Well, given the chance, I do not advise you to start a business with a lot of capital. So, there's a business mistake that I committed there. I invested millions, multiple millions, just to form the product. Okay. But paano ko ba siya nabibenta? Because since separate siya sa market, kasi MX3 is mangustin, di ba? Barley is grass. So like I have to offer something na, uy, iba to, di ba? Kasi just imagine 2,000, magkano lang yung MX3? 500 lang yan, less than 500. So para hindi ako ma-compare, okay? I have to offer something na hindi nila pwedeng ma-compare kasi how can you compare a mangosteen with a plant-based stem cell? How can you compare with barley with a plant-based stem cell na product? Are you following? So, just by being different, I no longer have the price comparison. Okay? Sino ba dito nakaka-experience na your customers always price shop, no? And they find something cheaper. Okay, type number 1 in the chat kung naka-experience kayo ng ganyan. Okay, kasi it's possible, you're selling vitamin C, yung competitor mo, nagbibenta din ng vitamin C, yung pharmacy, nagbibenta din ng vitamin C, eh di, bakit? Mahirapan ka talaga ibenta kasi someone else is selling the same product at a cheaper price. Are you following? Oh. So, now, yung question here is, okay, yung question here is, what if you really have the same product? How can you differentiate yourself? How many of you have that question? Type number 2 in the chat. If you have that question. What if you're selling the same product? How can you differentiate yourself? Okay? Kasi, face it, hindi naman tayo inventor, hindi naman tayo scientist na kaya nating bumuo ng product na kakaiba talaga na tayo lang yung meron sa buong mundo. Tama? Okay. Yan ito. I'm gonna give you an example, no? So, Meta o si Facebook or si Mark Zuckerberg nag-release ng VR. Okay? Tawag nila Quest. Okay? Quest VR. Ngayon, si Apple nag-release din. Okay? Ang tawag nila is, ang tawag nila ito? Apple Vision Pro. No? Okay? Now, if you look at it, how many here would agree na they just look the same? Type number 2 in the chat. Okay. How many of you here would agree na yung function nila is almost the same? Sabihin natin almost. Siyempre, merong differences, but it's somewhat similar. The functions, the purpose. Yes or no? Okay. Meta is a VR. Okay? Virtual VR headset. And here, and Meta is, magkano tong Quest?
May alam ba yan? I think it's just mga 25,000 or 30,000 or mga ganun, no? 25,000, 30,000. Eto guys, 150,000. Okay? Eto, 25,000, 150,000. How can you compete with someone that has a lower price? Okay? This is what they did. They're not selling a virtual reality headset. Okay? They're selling spatial computing na headset. Okay? So, what did they do? They created a name, man. They created a name. Instead of calling it VR, they called it spatial computing. But in reality, it's basically a VR with more features. Yes or no? It's just a VR that has more features. But if you call this VR, you're competing with Meta. The problem is you're more expensive. So they changed the name. The first ever spatial computing device in the world. Oh, what just happened? You are now different. And now since you're different, you should not, Apple is telling you, you should not compare us with Quest. Okay? So, are you learning so far? Are you following this? Type number 1 in the chat if you're following. If, yan, 111. So, that's an example. Now, it's just the same thing, but just by changing its name, changing its positioning, it now looks different in the market. Guys, a lot of us are so focused on uh a lot of us are so focused on improving our products, no? And I agree. I totally agree with that. The problem is when you do marketing and you just say na, "Oy, I'm promoting this vitamin C." Anong pagkakaiba? Mas maraming milligrams ito kaysa sa isa. So, you are just selling something na more or better. Guys, people do not buy something that is just better because everyone is better at some way or form. You would not catch the attention of the market pag sasabihin mo lang na mas masarap ito. Okay? Sino naman nagbibenta ng food dito? Guys, importante po na masarap yung pagkain nyo. Okay? Pero the problem is, um, you cannot just tell everyone is saying na masarap sila. Would you agree? So, having a good product creates customers. Okay? But you cannot create customers if no one, if you can't acquire them. So, it starts with having a product na that catches attention ng market. And that's why, do not create something or a product or an offer that's better. Create an offer that's different. Write that down. Don't create something that's better. Create something that's different. Okay? So, just imagine what I did itong 3D event. Right? No one in Philippine history did a 3-day event that was previously sold for 100,000 and gave it for free. Yes or no? No one in the history ever did it. Diba? But what did I do? I created an offer that is so good and that is so different. It just catches your attention. Free 3-day event that was previously sold 100,000. Now it's free. First question, what's the catch? Diba? So did it get your attention? Yes. Okay. Are you following this? So I want to share, sa hindi ko na-include sa slides, but I want to share, when we were solving we have a product, as what I've shared, na pangpatulog. Okay? Ito. Let me see. Share ko na lang yung yung link or yung site, no? So, this, one second. Okay. So, this is, okay, ito yung product, guys. Okay? Isang peraso na inhaler. Sa tingin nyo, magkano po yung cost ko nito? Magkano yung cost ko nito? Sa tingin nyo? Isang peraso na inhaler. Sige nga, magkano yung cost? Yung puhunan. Puhunan. Isang peraso. Okay, cost. Ayan. Sige. Sa tingin ko, kung binibenta ko to sa pharmacy, okay? How much? Okay, ito na lang question ko. Nakita na kayo ng inhaler, di ba? So, magkano yung inhaler sa pharmacy? Sige nga, itong Vicks inhaler. Okay? Okay, magkano to sa pharmacy? Okay? 100, 90, 85, alright. Okay, good. So, if ibibenta ko to, katabi sa Vicks, magkano ko sa tingin mo na mabibenta ko siya kung sa pharmacy ko siya binibenta? Okay, ito. Isang peraso lang, isang peraso. Okay? Sabi same or lower, 250, okay, 500, ayan. So just imagine katabi ko si Vicks. Vicks is a known brand. But this one, okay, it's not a known brand. It's a new brand. Okay? But would you believe how much I'm selling this? Okay, would you believe? All right, here it is. Okay, ready na ba kayo? Baka mahulog kayo, Okay. So, naglag. Yan. I'm selling one piece for 1,000 pesos. Okay? Isang peraso na inhaler for 1,000 pesos. Okay? Now, the question is, how long will it last? Kalimutan ko. I think around 60 days. Araw-araw gagamitin na. 60 to 90 days. So, anyways, going back. So, paano ko ba siya nabibenta for 910? Well, syempre, first, pagandahin mo naman yung packaging mo. No? Hindi mo pwede i-ship na ganyan lang. Kailangan may box yan. No? Tingnan nyo, may box yan. So, bongga, parang worth 1,000, di ba? So, syempre, pagandahin ko. But, most of all, is, nakakakita na ba kayo na inhaler na para makatulong sa tulog nyo? Okay? Pag pupunta ka, ano ba yung mga products na pangpatulog? Sige nga, ano ba yung products na pangpatulog? Supplement, sige nga, merong humidifier, usually supplements, diba? ZzzQuil, oil, sleeping pills, tama? Pero, so ginawa ko is I created a new form, which is inhaler. So what happens, since it's solving a painful problem, okay, for me, para maging different siya, I created a new form, and that is inhaler. Okay? Yung messaging ko nito is, bibili ka ng yung parang pang-aroma or essential oils, na iikot pa yan sa buong kwarto mo. What if ilagay mo yung essential oil dito and then isip-sipin mo na lang, anong tawag dyan? I-inhale mo na lang ba? Di ba? So, that's what you call unique selling proposition. Okay? So, ayan. Right? Are you following so far? So, this proves to you ba na what I'm teaching is ginagawa ko sa business ko. And what I'm sharing to you are the things lang na that has worked for me. And I do not share the things that's not working for me. Okay? So, going back. Okay. Going back. Okay. So, this is what I call, di ba I mentioned kanina about selling something different. It's, yung ano talaga nito is new opportunity versus improvement offer. Yun yung ibig sabihin niya, no? So, yung example lang nito, and I know it sounds weird, but when you're in a relationship, no? Boyfriend, girlfriend kayo. Okay? What is easier? Okay? What is easier? Na for example, yung girlfriend mo, no? Palagi kayo nag-aaway, okay? What's easier to do? Improve that girlfriend and ask that girlfriend to change, or find a different one. Okay? Come on. Let's be honest. Okay? What's easier to do? Improve your girlfriend, assuming hindi kayo married, so it's a different story if you're married, but boyfriend girlfriend kayo, you're in your 20s, okay, so let's put it that way. Baguhin mo yung girlfriend mo o yung boyfriend mo, o maghanap ka na lang ng iba na gusto mo na hindi ganun. Okay, so find a new one. Okay, so if you improve your boyfriend girlfriend, it's an improvement offer. So it's harder to sell. That's the point. Okay, it's like selling something that's just better and faster and what. But if you offer something that's new, that's different, is mas mas attractive siya. Mas gusto yan ng mga tao. So that's the analogy that I can share. Okay? Sige. So sabi nga ni Tom Abbott, it's not just about being better, it's about being different. You need to give people the reason to choose your business. Sabi ni Jacob Nielsen, even the best designers produce successful products only if their design solves the right problems. A wonderful interface to the wrong features will fail. Okay? Sabi ni Philip Kotler, there's only one winning strategy. It is to carefully define the target market and direct a superior offering to that target market. So, I don't have much time to discuss or dive in deeper about this, no? Pero I'll just share with you a couple of things that I did sa mga companies ko, sa mga brands ko, no? So if you notice in this scenario, you get an inhaler, right? Pero I'm throwing in bonuses, no? So for example, free shipping, which is the normal thing, no? I'm throwing in an ebook na sleep hygiene checklist, healthy habits for its restorative sleep, an ebook for stress relief, techniques to unwind and relax, ebook on power up mornings, energize your day with lasting energy, no? So just imagine paying 1,000 pesos and you get 3 free ebooks. Ito pa malupit. You get a 30-day, no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee. Okay? Meron, nakatry na ba kayo, bumili kayo ng inhaler sa Vicks, tapos ayaw nyo, tapos sinauli nyo sa pharmacy? Okay? It doesn't work. But we do it. So what's the point? We increase our price, but we also increase our value. Dapat, if you notice, 1,000 nga yung binili nila, pero yung worth na nakuha nila is worth 10,000. That's it, guys. Okay? Make sure na 10 times yung nakuha nila versus sa binayad nila. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, price is what customers pay. Value is what they get. Okay? So in this case, and if you notice, pinapataas namin yung perceived value. Okay? Can you type the word perceived in the chat? Type the word perceived in the chat. Ayan. Okay, sa mga hindi alam ng spelling, i-google yun na lang. Okay? So, perceived means pananaw ng tao kung ano yung value. Kasi if you look at it, yung ebook, meron bang cost on our end to give this book? To give this ebook, yes or no? Does it cost us money? Yes or no? To give an ebook like this to the clients. Okay? Do we have to spend money to give an ebook? The answer is no. Alam mo bakit? Because it's just a link, guys. It's just a file. Sending a file doesn't require any expense. Are you following? So what just happened? We increased the perceived value of something, but it did not increase our cost.